How to back up WhatsApp business messages. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now go to the search bar on the top and search for WhatsApp. If you see any update option available for this app, then update it. Or else go back to your home page. From your home page, navigate to the WhatsApp app. Open WhatsApp on your device. On WhatsApp, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner. Then select the option Settings at the bottom. Now in your settings interface, you will see different options like these. Here scroll down and search for the option Chats. Once you find the chat option, click on it. Inside the chat option at the bottom, you should see Chats Backup. Click on it, then select your account. Select an account so that you can access your backup data. You can also select if you want to include videos or backup using cellular. Once you are clear, click on Backup to start backing up your data. That's all for today. Thank you.